Hello, welcome to WAEC Chemistry with Aminu Kabir. Have you ever wondered what makes your medicine work? How your food stays fresh for a very long period of time? Or why your phone battery lasts longer? That is chemistry in action. By the end of this lesson, you should be able to define chemistry, explain the roles of chemistry in everyday life, outline the branches of chemistry, and also outline careers related to chemistry. What is chemistry? Chemistry is a branch of science that studies matter, its composition, properties, and how it changes. Matter. Matter is practically everything we can see around us, from solid ice to oxygen we breathe. By definition, matter is anything that has mass and takes up space. It exists in different forms and can undergo changes through chemical reaction. Matter exists in three states, which include solid, liquid, and gas. Let's look at how chemistry shows up in your daily life. 1. Health and medicine. From painkillers to vaccine, chemistry helps create life-saving drugs. With the knowledge of chemistry, drugs, vaccines, and other treatments are made. A good example of drug include paracetamol, and vaccine include COVID-19 vaccine. 2. Food science and agriculture. We all know that agriculture involves the production of crops and rearing of animals for human consumption. Fertilizers such as ammonium nitrate help crops grow faster. With the knowledge of chemistry, scientists have been able to come up with suitable fertilizers for different crops. And also, salt and vinegar help keep food stay longer and fresh. 3. Energy and industry. With the knowledge of chemistry, scientists have been able to come up with a suitable way to separate crude oil into useful fractions such as petrol, diesel, and liquid petroleum gas. This method devised by chemists to separate this fraction is known as fractional distillation of crude oil. We also know that your phone is powered by chemical reaction. 4. Material science and manufacturing. With the knowledge of chemistry, scientists have been able to develop more durable plastics and more biodegradable plastics, metals, and also more efficient method of extracting metals. Branches of chemistry. Chemistry is divided into 5 major branches. The first is organic chemistry. Organic chemistry, this is the branch of chemistry that studies carbon-containing compounds such as methane. 2. Inorganic chemistry. This is the branch of chemistry that studies non-carbon-containing compounds such as compounds containing elements in the periodic table. A good example is sodium chloride. Biochemistry. Biochemistry is a branch of chemistry that studies the chemical processes in living organisms. A good example is a DNA replication. Physical chemistry. Physical chemistry is a study of chemical reaction and energy, e.g. electrolysis. Electrolysis, this is the decomposition of a certain liquid by the passage of electricity. Nuclear chemistry. This is a branch of chemistry that studies nuclear reaction. This scientist studies the nucleus of an element and how they behave. Careers related to chemistry. We all know that there are hundreds of careers related to chemistry out there. But to mention a few, we have research scientist, analytical scientist or chemist, chemical engineer, pharmaceutical scientist, and clinical scientist or chemist. Do you want to review what you've learned today? Download the full lesson note from the video description. Click the quiz link below and see how much you remember. Don't forget to subscribe to WAEC Chemistry for more bite-sized lessons and explosive experiments. I am Aminu Kabir. See you in the next reaction.